Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you are doing well. On this video, I would like to tell you how to create learning media by using Quizizz application. There are some steps for this. First, click Mozilla Firefox or you can use Google Chrome, but here I use Mozilla Firefox. And then enter the web address or you can search on Google quizizz.com. And it will look like this. And if you already have a Quizizz account, click login and the screen will look appear like this. And if you want to create a new quiz, click create a new quiz and give a name of your quiz, for example vocabulary, and choose a relevant subject and next. And here you can choose what the answer look like in your quiz. And here I will choose a multiple choice. And here you can make your question. For example, a person who teaches at university. And give the answer option. Lawyer, dancer, lecturer, and doctor. And in this cursor, you have to choose one correct answer. It is lecture. And set the time. For example, 20 seconds. And next. And if you want to make the next question, click new question and choose the multiple choice and repeat the step like before. For example, my mother watches in the living room. And answer option number 1, TV, radio, books, newspaper. And the correct answer is TV. And set the time into 20 seconds and save. When you finish the question, click done. And you can give the picture on your quizzes and then select the grades. In here I will use, for example, third, And who can see these quizzes? If you want to public, click public. And if you want to private, click private. And I will use public and save. And this is your quizzes. If you want to start a multiplayer game, if you want to play live, click play live. And if you want to assign homework, click assign homework. And if you want to solo practice, you can practice by yourself. And here I will choose assign homework. And learners should complete the quizzes by, you can choose the date, for example May 19, and the time, and continue. Then you will get your code, quizzes code, and share a link, and you must give it to your student so that your quizzes can be done. And finally click end game. And yes, hopefully this video is useful, and thank you. Good luck.